reason to rid yourself of vanities and just go with the seasons. It's what we aim to do. Our name is our virtue, but I won't hesitate no more, no more. It cannot wait. I'm yours. Open up your mind and see like me. Open up your plans and damn, you're free. I look into your heart and you'll find that the sky is yours. So please don't, please don't, please don't. There's no need to complicate, 'cause our time is short. This is all, babe. I'm yours.
Dancers and Not Backstage 2013現在正式結束啦！我哋一齊俾啲掌聲我哋每一隊嘅表演單位同埋佢哋排舞導師，唔好停嘅掌聲啊！唔該。首先有 Yandy 同渣華編排嘅雙人舞，係你哋出嚟啦！係啦，小朋友準備下。接住嚟有 breaking 所排嘅豬仔所排嘅 breaking， 好啦，跟住有德南排嘅 Kid Dance 係嚟自小 Dance Studio 嘅一班小朋友學員。對完小朋友之後啦，有好有型嘅 locking， 係有我哋嘅 Billy 老師。Billy 老師。好，跟住有渣華編排嘅後情啊。仲有 Yandy。仲有我哋 Jazz Fun 嘅導師阿東同埋佢哋嘅 dancer。好啦，跟住我哋有蕭嘅表演嘉賓 EXT。有人講，仲有啲落緊嚟，係啦。哇！攞埋我哋贊助品嘅商標就嚟，好唔該晒。當然唔少得咗我哋嘅 Sassy Jazz， 佢哋嘅導師係小邦同埋 Yoko。跟住嚟有 Angie 編排嘅 Listen。仲有我哋嘅 D 係由蕭嘅一班嘉賓嘅。嚟自蕭嘅 showcase 嘅表演 ，Detectors 嘅一班 dancers。之後啦，就到 Girl Style 同埋 dance 組嘅所跳嘅 feel 就係由我哋德蘭老師同埋 Yandy 嘅。哇！呢班白馬王子一定係嚟自白馬行㗎啦，我以為佢哋嚟自粵華中學嘅添。好，到最尾係有我哋大 ending 嘅所有 dancers 同埋排舞導師 Yandy。好 ，Dancers and Not Backstage 2013現在正式圓滿結束啦。未來嘅一年，入 dance 組嘅入 dance 組，跳舞嘅繼續跳舞。下一年2014再見大家啦！多謝晒咁多位影相嘅朋友可以留步嘅，咁啊但係咧離開嘅朋友咧亦都可以得到我哋咧贊助商可樂公司咧提供嘅飲品㗎，多謝晒。